Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-3, CR-1, and IR-1 marriage visas. So we're specifically discussing marriage visas to the United States in the context of spouses of American citizens, although spouses of permanent residents can be covered for purposes of this video, as this is kind of a broad general sort of monologue, if you will, on the overall situation. I've had a lot of correspondence, a lot of people asking me, how long do you think the process is going to take post-COVID? What's the processing time on my case after this lockdown ends? For those who are unaware, most embassies, including the one here in Thailand, are currently not processing immigrant visas, specifically immigrant spouse visas and K-3 non-immigrant visas for spouses of Americans due to the COVID lockdown. They're basically just logistically, they're not doing interviews, and therefore they're not issuing visas. So this has been a rather prolonged period of time. This has gone on. We've been dealing with this for a number of months now, and at least as of the time of this video, it still has not abated. Now, I'm kind of presuming that this is going to end rather soon, but more to the point, what's going to happen afterward? What kind of processing time are we looking at after the lockdown is eased? And I'll be candid with you, and I'm not trying to be opaque. I simply cannot tell you for sure. I think facts in a given case are going to dictate a little bit how long things are going to take, but overall, it's really hard to predict what this is going to look like. I will say, State Department personnel, generally speaking, when I've seen them come off of shutdowns in the past, for example, government shutdowns, as well as issues surrounding political activity that caused the embassy to suspend some routine activities in the past, I have, when I say political activity, local political activity that caused them to suspend activities in the past, they came back and they acted with a great deal of alacrity to sort of clear the caseload. Now, that was usually a matter of days in some cases or weeks at most. We're looking at a backlog of a number of months. So exactly what this is going to look like remains to be seen, and I just simply don't know how long of a backlog and what that's going to do to processing time after this abates. That being stated, we will keep you updated on this channel as best we can as the situation evolves.